Hello students, good morning. Welcome to online class. Today I am going to teach you subject OPT Math in our class 9 OPT Math Trigonometric in Trigonometric chapter Trigonometric ratio. In Trigonometric ratio, this is right angle triangle. In the right angle triangle, opposite of right angle hypotenuse, reference angle any, suppose angle theta, and opposite of this angle is perpendicular P and base. In this triangle, right angle triangle, first of all, what is called sine? Sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant. Sine, in trigonometric ratio there are 6 trigonometric ratios: sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant and cosecant. Sine, what is called sine? The ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse is called sine. The ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse is called sine, and it is denoted by sine theta for reference angle theta. Similarly, cosine, this is sine, cosine, the ratio of base and hypotenuse is called cosine, and it is denoted by cos theta for reference angle theta. Similarly, tangent, the ratio of perpendicular and base is called tangent, and it is denoted by tan theta for reference angle theta. And in sine, therefore sine theta is equal to P by H, cos theta is equal to V by H, tan theta is equal to P by P. The reverse of tangent is cotangent. The ratio of base and perpendicular is called cotangent, and it is denoted by cot theta. Similarly, secant, the ratio of hypotenuse and perpendicular, the ratio of hypotenuse and base is called cosecant, and secant, and the cosecant, the ratio of hypotenuse and perpendicular is called secant. So cot theta is equal to b by p, sec theta is equal to x by p, and sin theta and cosec theta is equal to h by p. And for this relation, find find sin theta into cosec theta is equal to, sin theta is p by h and cosec theta is h by p is equal to 1. Therefore sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. So sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta, and cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Similarly cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1, that is cos theta into sec theta is equal to b by h into h by b is equal to 1. Therefore cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta, and sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Next, tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. So tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta, and cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. And for next, number 4, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. For this, sin square theta is p by h square, cos square theta b by h square is equal to for this sin square theta LHS, sin square theta p by h square b by h square. So this is p square by h square, p square by h square p square plus p square, and p square plus p square is by Pythagoras theorem, h square is equal to 1. Therefore sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And from this, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and sin theta is equal to root 1 minus cos square theta, and cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, and cos theta is equal to root 1 minus sin square theta. Similarly, sec number 5, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and for this, one LHS, 1 plus tan theta is p by b square. So this is p1 plus p square plus by b square, and b square LCM b square plus p square. So b square plus p square is x square by b square. This is h by b square. Therefore 1 plus sin square theta is equal to h by b is sec square theta. From this, tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1 and tan theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1 root, and tan sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. For next, one plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. For this, cot LHS 1 plus cot square theta, 1 plus cot b by p square, 1 plus b square by p square. So p square plus b square, p square plus b square by Pythagoras theorem, x square by p square. This is x by p is cosec square theta. Therefore 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Therefore cot square theta is equal to 1, cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1, and cot theta is equal to root cosec square theta minus 1, and cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. And next, number 7, tan theta into cot theta tan theta by tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. For this, RHS sin theta by cos theta. So sin theta is p by x, cos theta is b by x. Now x cancel. This is p by b is equal to tan theta. Therefore tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. From LHS tan theta is equal to p by b, and dividing by x on numerator and denominator d by x. So this is sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So